Also, if I may add, the double tracking which is happening, at what cost is it happening? Why is it happening? Because the concern around 17 trains are passing every day. So in Vasco we have the single track, only 5 nowadays are going, and that only 5 trains are going. So can we increase the number of trains? Why is there a requirement for a double track? If you are putting a double track, what are we losing at the cost of our wildlife sanctuary, our national park? Is that required? We are for development. We are.
Interrupt you because both
Sir,
interrupted me.
sir,
Where it is passing through wildlife? Double tracking, it is passing through wildlife.
It is going to Castle Rock, sir. Please do read it. It is going to Castle Rock. It is going to pass through Molan National Park.
There already there is a line. No, there already there is a line. So it is they are only double tracking it.
That is what we don't know, sir. The trees are going to be cut
As I
at
told you,
wildlife sanctuary.
as I told
So
you.
let me complete. The wildlife sanctuary, the wildlife, the plants are going to be in danger. We are not for that. We vote for development, but we want a sustainable development. If all these projects were for us, for the youth, and for our betterment of the future, we should have been taken into consideration, which was not done. And if it is for us, why are the double tracking work going on at night? Why are people being excluded? Why are people being stopped from agitating? Because it is a right to criticize the government. If you're saying it is not for coal, give us in writing. Let the government give us in writing that the coal is not going to be increased, the coal is not going to be transferred. We want that. Because promises everyone is giving. But you as a Panchayat Minister, as our MLA, government constituency, we want you to ask the government to give us in writing. Give us in writing that you are not going to increase, you are not going to allow Goa to be a coal hub. That is what we are asking you. And this, when you say transmission line, Nilesh Kabra specifically mentioned that we have 1000 megawatts coming in, and out of that only 600 we are using. So why is there need for more electricity? For whom is it being done? If you say Molan people require electricity, they do not require electricity. And how many jobs are going to be created? If you say double tracking is for the people or to increase whatever goods you have, what kind of commodities are you getting in, and what is the quantum of that? We need the facts and details, and if you oppose that, we will support you for sure. So the youth over here are demanding their right to life. Article 21 says that.
South Central Railway, the Chief Minister will take a call, but I don't think even if he wants, he can stop it because it is a central project, just like Punggol. Now your other problem is expansion of national highways. This is something which will happen 10 or 15 years hence, not immediately, nothing is there. Chief Engineer is here, PWD. Why? National highway immediately has expansion. And which expansion they are talking of, they are putting in this linear project. Even I don't know. To my knowledge, there is no expansion of national highway.
Right now there are no projects. What we are doing now.
This is the whole thing, which is linked to MOPA and all that. This is something simply they are putting in the memorandum. Linear project, आमचे पापाक चालता. Okay? As youth, you all should understand it. Now, 400 kV transmission line to wildlife sanctuary. Now, initially there were big plans because to project for the next 50 or 60 years or next 100 years to get a those big tower lines. Because people's opposition is there, only 7 tower lines, 7 poles are coming in the sensitive area. You cannot take 400 kV line via wireless, where you transmit the power from one thing to another. Though nowadays devices are available for small appliances. You know that very well. As youngsters, you all are intelligent. You all know, you all go on social media. As far as this is concerned, I think that is the requirement for future. And this also is not coming up immediately. Or project at Mudani is also 15 years, at least it will take. Tower line and all. I was responsible to get 400 kV tower line from Kolhapur to Karad to Tivin, a dedicated line. I was responsible. That time, Vajpayee had given a gift of 450 crore when I was Power Minister. Understood, no? Vajpayee had given a gift of 450 crore when I was Power Minister. Understood, no? And it was free, एक पैसे म्हणून असताना म्हणून आज साधारण पॉवर भरा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कोण आहे ना electricity contract, you know it, no? That PV substation, 200 by 400?
400 kV.
Huh?
400.
400, no?
400 by 220.
400 by 220. That is coming from Karad, no? Previously, what used to happen? The line used to be tapped. 400 kV line, 200 kV used to be tapped all along the way from Maharashtra. Maharashtra used to say, why we should not tap? It is our line going from here, like Madai, what is happening? Same thing is happening. Understood? Amge bodo tum amge line is tum mata kar. But I fought that time, even though I was in Congress that time. It was Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He said, no, this boy has made a good presentation. Give him. R. Kumaramangalam was the Union Power Minister, my personal childhood friend. So he helped me. And Vajpayee said, Goa will not pay a single price. Same way. Now what power is there? If you all are ready for power cuts of 4 to 5 hours, then we will cancel that line. That situation it is. We should be happy. To the national grid, we are getting cheaper power. The fully genuine thing in this is, I am really concerned, is coal. We should not make this as a coal hub because we depend on tourism. You and I want tourism to survive. We want the greenery. We want beautiful Goa. We want everything to survive, the environment to survive. I am with all of you on that. Understood, no? But these other things, like highway, it is not there only. I don't know how it has come. Double tracking when 370 kilometers of a national project already complete. 70 kilometers, hardly about 15-20 kilometers is the problem line. And they will not keep quiet. It is like from there to here, road is complete. It also is put unnecessarily, I am only afraid. Loka bodkoin gaila, halan cases atole sodo ka amka trust portale. Do kam kam work. Because in January we are going to release all the vacancies of all departments. Nothing less than almost, as CMS said, 10,000 government jobs. I want to give at least 200 jobs for my constituency people, for youngsters who will become government servants. If people tomorrow have cases, police case, government job may not. Heard only my party vehicle.
Okay, sir. We have heard you now.
Yeah.
I would like to get to your notice also.
Yeah.
The double tracking, the 379 kilometers, 300 is done. Only 20 kilometers are needed. But those 20 kilometers are of mass distance. Monday Ulla, Vivadi, Federal, and certain place in between there people are opposite. Now these projects when you are got.
Dabolim, because I was the MLA. I knew what it. They said Dabolim airport will be stopped.
So
And if MOPA comes up, listen to me first.
Sir,
Listen to me.
sir, this project-
Listen to me. I am talking of another national project. They said MOPA will come up, that will stop. I said no, that will remain. Thereafter what happened? We have spent more than 500 crores on MOPA airport, so on Dabolim airport, to give a signal. It becomes one of the internationally good airport and it will survive. Even if MOPA comes, Dabolim also will be there. So we'll have two airports because of the growing air traffic. Same way, now you are saying, if I give you assurance or anybody local, it has no this. Our chief minister has gone to Delhi. He has got central minister. They are going to come and make the announcement. What do you want? Exactly the assurance. Same assurance what was given about Dabolim and MOPA. Central government had given. Central ministers will come and give assurance. The concerned port minister that coal will not be handled here, gradually will phase out. That is the assurance you are going to get, not from us, from the central minister, which our chief minister has already taken on. So it's not that we want to destroy the environment and that. I am very clear. If it is going to be more than 15 million tons, I will oppose, I will stop, I will join you. But simply I will not oppose for sake of opposing.
There
Sorry.
are already thousands of trees cut down in modern life. We are doing it.
You see, that
So
is,
they want
that
your
as I
assurance.
told you, that is because of the line. That you can get more clarification from my colleague Nilesh Kabra. Followed, no? Because he is handling that.
So as a panchayat minister, why all the people are not being
See,
taken?
whenever any central project comes up, it is the central government which takes authorization from the state. Listen. These permissions are not given now. These permissions are given long back. Given to say, Kal Ami Dila. We are in government 6-7
Sir, are you
years.
saying
Permission
you
is
have no
given. This
power?
project was conceived. If you remember, if I remember well, 2003, 2004, Union budget when it was there, when others were in power, they gave the permission.
I agree with you.
Railways, it takes so long.
So, if you are saying the central government has already passed the project years back, did they ask the people?
Who?
Did they ask the
What people
government? Did they ask the
Of course.
So
The consultative process was there through the government and the central government, and that's how they took the permission. Simply permissions don't come.
I don't think so.
I don't have money.
Yes. We have got given.
Even
Now
after
we are
2003,
working
today which year it is? How many years, how young you were? You were a small kid when that time.
Now we are none of the, that is what we are asking you. That is what we are asking you, sir. That is what we are asking.
What?
Other two
Which
projects.
other two projects?
Double tracking, transmission line.
Double tracking, I have told you. It is a national project. I will
Who is
convey
it
your
going to
sentiment.
benefit?
Huh?
Who is it going to benefit?
I am going to convey your sentiment to the. See, listen. Whom is going to benefit if you don't know as a youngster? Our youngsters are going abroad. Our youngsters are leaving Goa and going Goa. There are no jobs here. How jobs will be generated when there is no economic activity? For economic activity, not coal. We need to utilize our Mormugao port for the maximum to the maximum extent. Import export has to take place to the port. For that to happen, containers have to move. If containers will move on the rail track, you need broad gauging. You need
kind
to
of
cater
jobs?
to the all sorts of.
What
Goa
kind of
can be the
jobs?
best trading hub where educated people, computer savvy people, they will get maximum jobs. This is how it will happen.
So when you say the coal you are stopping because of coal, because of coal.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, also because everything. Because of coal, there are other pharmaceutical companies are not able to export. Yesterday, newspaper said that they are exporting via movement. Because of this coal, there are many other things. Before rice is to come, grains is to come.
You have created. You don't know certain things. There will, like you said about pharmaceutical companies, their medicines have to move quickly. That's why even which is that Gulf airline, which is the best Dubai airline, which is Emirates. Emirates was ready for a cargo operated flight. They came here last time because of COVID. They gave up. They are also going to start in next 3 months. In the new year, probably they are going to start. The cargo that is moving in air-conditioned containers from here to Bombay, and from Bombay it goes. Instead, Goa port will be utilized. So that will move from here, from our airport itself. So that is being done to Emirates. Listen. And other goods, whichever can stay longer, they will move to the port. That is what they are trying to do, the industry people.
Sir, last question to you from my side. When are the Gram Sabha meetings will be held all over? Because people of Mali are not aware of other these projects, and they are saying when they pass through the power line that is passed during the rainy season, they are getting electric shocks because of that impulse.
I mean, Gram Sabhas will be allowed from the new year. It will be allowed from
But other
January.
states have already started.
Because see, the pandemic was there, slowly now cases have come down. I don't want to take another risk. January 100%, whether it is bound to come down according to me. I will officially send a circular from January Gram Sabha will be allowed.
But by January will others, because there are people agitating and they are not able to voice their
So can you give us an assurance that you are going to
But
support
January
us?
is another
No, but before that, sir said that he is going to convey to the.
See, there are two things I told you very clearly. On coal, I am 100% with you, 100% I am supporting. Whatever are the other sentiments, whether it is your tower line, whether it is your broad gauging, I will convey the sentiment to my higher up, not only to Chief Minister, to everybody else in Delhi. So let them take off.
So we need
Sir, he said.
assurance.
What assurance? I cannot stop it.
Are you clear cut saying that you are not with the people by supporting this
That is
project?
up to you to assume. In a democracy, you can assume what you want. I cannot force you
Sir,
to
we
accept
don't
my
want to
view.
assume, that's why we are
Just as
asking
you
in
cannot
return.
force me, I cannot force you to accept my view. It's a democracy.
I think the
Everybody
majority
is
of
free.
the people are
No, let's
demanding.
see who is there in majority, who is not. That time will
Let's
tell.
have a discussion, so that is what
No,
we are
no, no.
asking for a people's participation.
Oh.
Let's have a discussion. Who
Oh,
wants
we have
to
discussed
discuss?
enough. I have discussed almost an hour with you.
You are further
You have barged in. Today I
We have
gave
not
you
barged
appointment.
in.
No.
We have
I
not
gave you
barged in. Maybe barged
time.
in, sir?
Listen. Yes, I have given you time. because you all give it that much importance. I said okay, I
सर
listen.
म्हाका फादरान फोन केलेलो आमची यूथ
Yeah, फक्त memorandum दिवन वयतले म्हणजे लोक बाकीचे रावता, बाकीचे problem रावता.
काय गो एज अ पंचायत आम्ही फुली सपोर्ट केला खंय हेचे ओपोज करपाक आमी फर्स्ट पंचायत रेजोल्युशन घेवपी एश न्हू आमी सरावार वो आहाय म्हण आमी गव्हर्मेंटा तुमी आतां गव्हर्मेंटा एगेन्स्ट उलयताय आमी गव्हर्मेंटा फेवरार रावो नाय आमी हांवें सरा देखून सांगला आमी सद्दां मिलिटरी बाबा आसता म्हण आतां तुमी मेमोरंडम दिवपा आयले तुमकां आमकां आतां खूब इंजिनियर्स बी उलो हाय थोडो फादर म्हणून आमकां थोडो टायम म्हणल्यार ओके काडून दिवपी सो तुमी एक एक डिस्कशन केल्यार आमकां सेपरेट आनी मिटींग दवरूंक पडटली तशें करून जावपा ना आनी आमकां इश्यूज आहाय डेव्हलपमेंटल इश्यूज आहाय सगळे इंजिनियर येयला डिफरंट तुम्ही तुमचे किती हाय शॉर्ट आहा काबार कराय न्हू
discussion.
मीटिंग आम्ही सरांगे ऑप्शन मेळया तुम्ही सांगा यूथ केन्ना गेलेले कोविडा लागून ऑफिस ओपन ना सद्दां ओपन
That's also we want to
यूथ आहा न्हू
we want to
No, that will give it time. We'll give it time.
Okay, sir.
सरान केन्ना यूथ बायपास केलो न्हय वो केन्ना तो युथा मारून आपण ना म्हणना पूण तुम्ही अशें करून आतां कितें डिमांड म्हणून तुम्ही अंडरस्टँड जावपाक जाय सराच्या एकट्याच्या हाती ना न्हू सरान कितें सांगलां आपण सेंटर स्टेटाचो सेंटराक आपण डिस्कस करता न्हू आनी कितें सर जाय तुमकां
Okay. This because of writing that you're going to say views
No, I will
of.
not give that. You have to believe me. I will not give that.
You're
Don't believe. Then you don't believe. You are free to. That's what in a democracy you are free to do what you
saying
want.
that you're not for the people, you're not going to do anything for the people.
That you are
We
saying
have
with your
voted for
mouth.
you.
That you are saying with your
While
mouth. Be
we
careful
have
what you
voted
speak.
for you.
Be
While we have
careful what
voted
you
for
speak to
you.
you. That see
Then
that.
let's have a discussion.
That
sir.
is a democracy. See, don't put word in my mouth. I will not speak a single word now. I have other things. No. Other
Not
people,
now, not
the
now.
other people also are equally important. I will not speak a single word more than what I have spoken now. More, please. लोकही बाकी येल्ला हा तिंगली कामा इतर इंजिनियर येल्ला है उसका
Can we have it in writing to them as
No,
well?
I will not. Why should I give in writing?
Please acknowledge. So you said you're going to convey
This is
our
what-
views to the center or to the
Yeah, what I have
chief
spoken
minister.
is enough.
Then please.
No.
We need it in writing.
Go in my
We
office.
need it in writing.
Go in my office and take the extent.
So why are you over here then?
Forget this language. Not telling you also anywhere. Either it will tell you Sorry, I am a veteran of so many education. People who are lastly I am telling you, people who are instigating you all are young minds, more idealistic. I also came from the youth movement. I have seen many movements. You are a child in front of me to say that you have seen agitation. I must have seen more than 24 agitation. Big, small, everything. I have been to it too. During Konkani struggle, I was there. During statehood agitation, I was there. Fee hike if students are getting 50% concession, I was there. As student leader, fighting for all colleges in Goa, I was there. So I was also youth like you. I know what is a movement. I never allowed myself to be misguided by anybody. That I am telling you. So please do something. What is
We are
constructive?
saddened. We are saddened by the fact that you are not there now for Goa and for us.
See,
Sir, you are over
have
here
come
right
to-
now.
If you have come to make a issue, you are free to do it. Listen. The way you are talking, please behave yourself in your talk also. Don't talk this language. You are free to make a issue. Just because I have given you freedom, given you so much time, you say you are not with us. How are you concluding I am not with you? How are you concluding? That is nonsense. No, I will not say anything. You all can do what you feel. It is a free democracy. You all can do what you want. I have given you concrete assurance. What is to be given? Nobody will give better assurance than I. Okay?
इश्यू डिस्कस
We should discuss it. We want to keep on budget number.
तुम्ही आवाज सांगा बोलो बोलो आता तुम्ही दोन
Without calling me, you have said you are invited.
म्हणजे तुम्ही सराई इन्व्हाइट केलेलो
That is
इथे
not.
14 तुम्ही उलयता इथे उलयना
त्यांना तुम्ही ना.
त्यांना कोण नाही
You
करायचं
had-
त्या दिवशी तुम्ही ऑर्डर 14 कोण तुम्ही केले का हवरा तुमका
Can't speak about-
See, people have a right to agitate.
So
People
does-
have a right to represent. You
Does
have
the
done it. You
central
have done it to me.
government, central government have a right to kick on our stomach? Do they have the right? Are you not going to say anything to them? Are you only going to say that the central government has given all the passes, all the projects?
Listen, let us not stretch it. Whatever are your sentiments, I will convey to the higher up, whether in Delhi or here, only that
We
much
want
I
your
can do.
assurance, sir.
Okay?
So one question.
Yes.
now about more than the trees cut down, 1,000 trees cut down, I said it is already done for some purpose. But now the trees already cut down. If you say when you cut one tree, it will grow two at least. But is that happening? Where has that happened?
So those are the plans of the government. When I
Where-
asked,
Are you not the government?
I asked
Are
the
you not the
minister,
government?
I asked
Are
the
you not the
minister, who is the power minister, they said forest and they are already coordinating. If, as they said, 15,000 trees are cut, more than 50,000 will be planted. That was the reply I got.
Where?
So you are in the government.
Statement.
Was this planned? Was the people were not taken into consideration? Was this planned?
I cannot answer you more than what I answered. I have answered each and everything. You are asking me
So
details.
are you trying to say that you do not know what is happening? Why exactly
I
the
know
projects
exactly
are
what is happening. I know exactly what
Why
is
are the projects
happening.
coming?
I know exactly what is the motive behind certain things. As I told you, national highway. My chief engineer tells me there are no plans of it. National highway, linear project. How is that national project you are to take? Because you all have no knowledge. Whatever you all have, in fact, you are not 3 years youngsters.
Okay, having said that,
I appreciate, listen, I appreciate whatever you all have brought, I will convey to my officer. I will convey your sentiment as you are MLA.
what about the other two projects?
What?
Other two
Which
projects?
other two projects?
Double tracking, transmission line.
Bubble tracking, I have told you, it is a national project. I will
Who is
convey
it
your
going to
sentiment.
benefit?
Huh?
Who is it going to benefit?
I am going to convey your sentiment to the. See, listen, whom is going to benefit if you don't know as a youngster? Our youngsters are going abroad, our youngsters are leaving, going. There are no jobs here. How jobs will be generated when there is no economic activity? For economic activity, not coal, we need to utilize our Mormugao port for the maximum, to the maximum extent. Import, export has to take place to the port. For that to happen, containers have to move. If containers will move on the rail track, you need broad gauging. You
What
need
kind
to
of
cater
jobs?
to the all sorts of.
What
Goa
kind of
can be
jobs?
the best trading hub where educated people, computer savvy people, they will get maximum jobs. This is how it will happen.
So when you say the coal you are talking because of coal, because of
Yes,
coal,
for the
yes, also because everything. Yeah.